This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Guys, it is September 6, 2019. So whenever I got a call for go clean a boiler, furnace type of thing, oil boiler. He said it was a furnace, but I think it's probably a boiler. We'll go over there. It's the first time I have worked for this guy on his air conditioning system this year. I think I changed the capacitor. There's that unit that was right against the house, the old Goodman brown turd that was jammed against the house. No disconnect. So I'm gonna go over there and see what's going on. First time client for the burner, so we'll give the old once over. Make sure that it's got a good oil flow, the filters are clean, and not all choked up. Ready for the season. New nozzle. Try to get you some shots if I can. Oil tank right in the garage here. Half a tank. Looks like it's a new oil line. So that filter might be new. We'll check the flow at the pump. Kind of a bad spot to have it. Tank's painted. Not too bad. We'll check for oil flow first then. See how the pump filters are. Here we'll see if the filters are good. Wow. Alright, well, let's just focus. Check the nozzle next. Cover's loose. Cancel's fine. Yeah, needs to be changed. That cleans any carbon off the head. See if the head's broken. It's fine. Boy, they're really high, them electrodes. Wow. is really on there. I'll put a 75/80 in here. Plate's nice and clean. That's what you want to see. Be fine for this size house. You wanna that's really what you want to be, but it's too far apart, so I can bend them ends in a little. I want to be a little bit in front. That's good right there. About a dime in front. That's good. This wants to be closed up good, and it wasn't before, so run it and we'll check the draft over the fire. See if we got for draft. See if we got any draft. Be able to tell if it's choked. Give it a little less here. Reset the flame. You might have had a bigger nozzle in there before. That's perfect for a draft right there. Below the fire, watch. I'll release my finger. 0.2. That's perfect. Boiler had a bunch of soot in it. This would be rolling out, so it's fine. We don't have to change any filters because we're getting a good oil flow. Clean this all up. I got a washer and dryer down here. It's full of lint. leave a tag on it. It'll be ready to go for another year. Alright, looks like the last time they were there was 12/17. So it's been a couple of years. We got good water pressure. Things not all cooked in the front. It's been running good. Good oil flow, new nozzle, clean burner head, reset electron, reset air band, good draft over fire. I did reset the electrodes also. Well, she should be good to go.